So here we are at Inexcess, and the very first thing that has caught my eye is these wooden clothes pegs that are a bargain, £1.50. They're an obvious paint and decoupage job.
I found a bargain. Your heavy duty cloths, 75p, you get 10 of them. We all get through a lot of those in our crafting,
Yeah.
let's face it.
Okay, so this shop is amazing
Seem to be in the garden section.
for finds that you wouldn't necessarily know. Now the next thing that
We saw
drawing my
this.
attention,
Now this to me is a super bargain. Look at this, right? It's your teacup and saucer. Imagine what you could do with that. That is £2.50. £2.50.
yeah,
That's
got
incredible.
some potential, definitely.
And it's good, it's solid.
It's a proper ceramic one.
Yeah, it's all stuck together for
I've
you.
got
You don't need to
things
move it.
in my mind for that. And then
This I absolutely loved. Now,
it's just a nice shape.
it's the
isn't
shape
it?
that
It's
drew me to
plastic,
it. It's
but
plastic.
You wouldn't necessarily know that,
but it's
without
quite
touching
thick.
it.
You know, it's got a good
Yeah.
solidness to it. £2.95. I know exactly what I could do with that. Exactly
Right,
what
well
I could do with that.
let's look at all the rest before we make our final purchase. We have these eggs, these bird feeders.
Yeah, the bird feeders are lovely.
And again, £2.50.
Ceramic bird's nest.
Potential decoupage.
I like these as well. Come over here.
Skippity skip.
Skippity skip. £1.25. I've done a few sort of watering can kind of activities, and I think that could come up really
Because
beautifully.
it's plastic, but if you did faux verdigris or something
Yeah,
on
you
it,
do a
it
faux
would
metal
look
effect.
metal.
You can make it look sort of stone effect, but I would go with the metal. And it's better than something like that where you've got all
to try
the
and make
gubbins
one
on
out
it.
of that looked metal. I'd quite like the potential of that.
Okay.
And you could even
could
have
be a
flowers
challenge.
coming out, out the top.
I just think
as
it's a simple
unusual
design.
vase.
It's a great price. You know, when you're watering your plants even just around the house, you want something a bit prettier than that,
Yeah.
don't you? There's a
Yeah.
lot you can do with that.
Yeah. Okay. Lastly in this aisle is these wooden
Your wooden birdhouse.
houses, which again I think have the potential
Definitely.
to be a bit more designed than that. That's
£2.95. You've got this lovely tray on the top. They've actually even suggested on the tag that you can plant some flowers and what have you in there. So I think that's quite nice
Yeah.
for your garden. But imagine that jazzed up, funked
Yeah.
up. It's even got the little hanger that you can put on there, so you don't even have to worry about things like that. £2.95.
Bargain.
Solid.
So now we've found the wallpaper section and we're getting really
We're
excited.
just gobsmacked by it, to be honest.
Because it's £2.99 a roll,
£2.95.
guys.
And look, it's got such tiny pictures on it that you can use.
You know those nests of tables that we do all the time that need
Oh.
an inlay? Look at
Oh, look what you can do with this. Individual pictures.
that frame.
You could even get your kids doing pictures on that, couldn't you? That would be amazing.
And there's this cards one. I love it.
That's nice. And that's got a nice texture to it as well. It's more matte, isn't it? What else have we got down here? Funky pictures. This one we both fell in love with, didn't we?
Yeah, straight away.
Look at that.
Like, you don't even have to sneak out with a large sample.
£2.99, guys. Look at that. And you know, we're all into these at the moment.
And then there's maps. Everyone loves maps.
There's maps. And they already look aged. These again, super. You can do little snippets in your crafting, particularly if you do things like scrapbooking.
Absolutely. Oh look, there's a bee. I didn't see that.
Oh, we missed that one.
That's really nice.
Oh,
I like that
oh.
bee. Might even have to have a sample of that one.
Even on the side of your bird box. But this was one I loved as well. This typography. I mean, look, there's going to be loads you can do. Again, scrapbooking and what have you in there. I just love it.
Excellent.
And they're good quality. £2.99.
Come on, man, to get me a sample of that bee. I need a bee in my life. I need a strip. Is that nice?
I'll come this way. I only work this way.
It's not large, is it? Okay. Right.
£1.65. I don't know whether you've seen the girls, the IOD sisters. They transformed one of these plastic pots, nothing glamorous, £1.65, and they made this look like old French aged terracotta pot.
I like that idea.
I'm having one. End of.
You heard it here.
That's going in the basket.
Right, we're not actually buying this stuff today, but I did want to show you because it's quite good prices. Brown French polish at £3.50. There's some knotting stuff for furniture with knotting, £3.99. I've got a whole range of kind of different oils and stains, which I think would be really useful.
Yeah.
And I've
They have
also
got a good
found
range.
this plaster skim and repair. Now this is like ready-made plaster. It's £4.50, and it is perfect for creating texture on canvases and
Wasn't
stuff.
that what I was asking
Yes.
Mark about? That's the stuff, isn't it?
To go on to make your fake walls and stuff. This is the £4.50. It's an absolute bargain.
Oh, we're going to be using that. We're going to be using because we're going to be doing some walls, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll be back for some of that.
We'll be back for some of that.
And is this
These are fabulous.
really cool metal.
£4.95.
And you've seen us do our French raised stencil projects on these. I think we picked our original ones up in car boot sales, but this is immaculate, in good
It's
condition.
really,
It's
really
metal.
beautiful. You've got the wooden handle on there.
Yeah.
Really, really good. £5.
£5.
Yeah.
Next we found that was really useful in here, because we talked about these quite a lot, are these sanding blocks, and they all come individually with different grits. And I'm trying to look for a price. Have we got a price?
See one anywhere, but you know me and my glasses situation.
Can't find a price.
I'm sure they're going to be as cheap as chips. But I do like that they have got the individual grit,
Yeah.
because some you have like different grits on each side, and these are so much
and they're
better.
definitely really useful. We get through a lot of these wipes for cleaning stuff
Yes.
as well. They're,
Really, really good idea.
they're
That huge.
£3, so that's a bargain.
Yeah,
So
that's the cheapest you're going to get.
yeah, definitely go with that. Right.
Well, I think we've made our decisions. I'm going to go with the shell bird bath that
She
I
really
fell in
couldn't
love.
move away from it.
It's
She
the
kept coming
shape.
back to it.
Beautiful. And surprising, now Paula surprised me. I thought she was going to go for this.
Which I am tempted to, just not sure how what I would do with it in my house.
No.
Simply because I've got cats,
You've
so I
got
can't really
cats,
attract
yes.
birds to the house.
No.
But I think that's a
You could make it a
bargain.
very definite. You could have plants in there cascading
I could.
and make it something pretty. But I think in your house, maybe not.
So I've decided I'm going to show you guys how to transform this very plastic, but quite a decent shaped
Yeah, it's such a simple design, isn't
watering
it? I
can
think there's a
into
lot
a
you can
metal
do with that.
effect, and I'm going to put a raised stencil on it, I think, and show you how we can do that. So that's going in
So
the basket.
we're all about our cheap plastic.
We're all about that today. So join
Thrifting.
us to see what we do with it.